Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, World of TREDEC. This is my first time making a review in English. It's kind of exciting, so I think let's go on. I've got a Japanese HASEGAWA Dassault Falcon 10 in 1/48 scale model. As you see, the box got a fantastic art, and it's still wrapped with its original clear cellophane, and it's showing the name of the aircraft, Falcon 10, the Hasegawa logo, and some interesting featurings of the aircraft flying over an unknown city. I don't know which city it is, but it should be an American one. But it looks anyway fantastic. The features of the stripes in red and orange, and the US registration, I will give you more details ahead. Something interesting I found is the name of the artist. I will spell it out because it's kind of hard to recognize it. It's S-K-O-I-K-E, Koike. Maybe it sounds like that. I'm not sure, but I think it is that way. S-K-O-I-K-E. Or maybe it could be S-T-O-I-T-E. But I read both ways, so I think maybe I am right in both ways. So that's the main features on the main cover. Let's see what we have on this side. The same, and again the name of the aircraft, Falcon 10. It's written in Japanese. And there are a lot of different languages: Japanese, English. It says contains parts for one model. Paint and glue are not included, with English instructions. It's in German, in French, Italian, Spanish, and another kind of Asian language, I think. It is Chinese. I hope I am right. Hasegawa is got address in Japan and made in Japan. Let's see what we have in here. The same cover, the same name, the scale 1/48, as I said before. France Business Jet, the name, extra name. And there are two numbers that that's confusing me. This one is 06262, and the other one is VT102, kit number VT102, 2 points 1600. Okay, I read both, so I think I am right because I read both. Anyway. In this side, I see the measurings. Model length is 288 millimeters, and the wingspan is 272 millimeters. Number of pieces 49, and this is the year of manufacturing, is 1994, made in Japan again, and this is the barcode. Let's see what inside, and you will see a kind of little surprises on it. I will take it away. This is a little paper with some recommendations on how to apply the decals, to cut the paper and dip in warm water, apply to the surfaces, and voila, the already finished model. So anyway, there are another suggestions on this paper. So, but I prefer to show you the main instructions, building instructions. They are showing interesting feature of the aircraft with the open hatch. I will show you the already built model with the open hatch. This is how it looks like in the building instructions. This is a little, short history of the Falcon 10. The manner of how to assemble the cabin with the how to call the bulkhead painted in mahogany, the seats, upholstered seats, how to assemble the fuselages, the halves, and the window pieces, how to apply them inside the fuselage, assembling the turbines, the wings, all the elements in the main body, turbines, the tail wings, and an interesting feature about the open hatch with the steps or closed hatch. You see the windscreen, etc., the landing gear, and another thing that it's so interesting for me, it's this version it's a Japanese version. This kit didn't bring the course paper for this version. I think you have to paint the stripes and part of the tail. So I prefer this sham because the kit brought this decal sheet, decal paper. The making I have chosen is just right here. Making and color painting guide. The red and orange stripes with the US registration November 1010 Foxtrot Juliet. It's a simple and easy livery. This is without the turbine in order to see what's going on along the fuselage with stripes. The top view specifying the details of the silver anti-freezing, and the bottom view what's going on with decals under the turbines. The interesting things to me are the clear red navigation lights on the left wing and the clear blue in the other side. It should be clear green instead. But anyway, they are suggesting those colors. The graphics spruce with all the pieces. There are 4, and the sprue with the transclear parts. Well, the surprise is that I've got empty sprues. Obviously, the model is already built, so no pieces existing in the sprues. So I will show you right now how the model looks like already built. Okay, I've got this spinning base. I will show you, I will close it. This is the main feature with the open hatch with all the tensors and hydraulic things that remains the hatch open. The the antennas, tensors, wheels, antennas, what this anti-freezing, the red stripes and the orange stripes. I put the name of the aircraft here, the registration, US registration numbers. I didn't paint the aircraft, I just polished it, the original plastic, because I thought at that time that it would be a great idea to keep the smooth surface, shiny, smooth surface, and well, it's under view. Let's get the hydraulic parts, how it looks like under the turbines, the stickers or the decals. I made them in vinyl, the stickered vinyl. Okay, I will spin it around in order to detail all angles, from all angles views. You see the exit doors, door 1, the security area to step, the registration on the wing. So I think I forgot to show you the decal sheet, the decal papers, but the decals are not they are not existing anymore. So this is the features of the model. I hope you could understand what happened with the model, what it's looking like, how it looking like. So the details of the rims, the wheels. So that's an impression, a good impression of this model with the open hatch. I will show you the box again, and I will say goodbye for the moment, because there are upcoming new reviews in English. I hope to improve my English reviews more ahead. Well, this is that's all for the moment. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment and like the videos, etc. Okay, let's go on to the next review.